Moral lessons for kids. Ali confesses, Grandma, I lied yesterday. Grandma responds, my child, the one who speaks the truth always wins, like Prophet Yusuf, as. Ali declares, then I will always speak the truth. Grandma smiles and says, good boy. That's the sign of a real Muslim. Zainab explains, Mom, I made wudu, and I feel so peaceful. Mom replies, wudu not only cleans your body, it cleans your heart too. Zainab says, then I'll clean my heart every day. Grandma starts, when I was young, we used to walk far to reach the mosque. Ahmed asks, weren't you tired? Grandma replies, yes, but our hearts were full of happiness. Zainab declares, we'll walk to the mosque too. Zainab asks, Ahmed, is anger a sin? Ahmed replies, yes. Fighting is a sin too. The teacher adds, children, knowing sins helps us avoid them. All kids exclaim, Insha'Allah, we'll control ourselves. Ahmed shares, today I gave bread to a poor man, secretly. Zainab adds, Mom says Allah loves secret charity. Mom can be heard from afar, Allah is happy with you, my child. Zainab looks out the window, it's raining so heavily. Grandma encourages, make dua, dear, this is a time of acceptance. Ahmed prays, Ya Allah, bless every home. Grandma holds a weathered Quran, this Quran copy is 40 years old. Ahmed asks, do you read it daily? Grandma replies, never missed a day, my child. Zainab eagerly says, Grandma, please teach us too. Mom gently reminds, I told you to use mobile less. Ahmed responds, but Mom. Grandma interjects, let me tell you a story, how time runs away. Zainab greets, Assalamu alaikum. A guest replies, that greeting made me so happy. Mom adds, Salam brings hearts together. Grandma gently says, water gives life to plants, and Quran softens the heart. Zainab wonders, should we pour water on the heart too? Grandma smiles and says, yes. That water is Quran, Sunnah, and love.